Teacher support specialists are trained EPI staff members and are always working hard to help you as you obtain the necessary things for your first few months in the U.S. Your Teacher Support Specialist, or TSS, will initially guide you through your transition to the United States. They have done extensive research in your district and have compiled helpful information, resources, and guidebooks to help you make the best decisions during your transition. Your discussions with your TSS could consist of topics ranging from housing, transportation, community information, and other important choices that you will have only a short time to make. Stay in close contact with your teacher support specialist as you make your decisions before arriving in the U.S. for EPI orientation. Your teacher support specialist will be available to you even after your initial arrival in your district. It is vital to stay in close contact with them for the duration of your program. Your TSS will request important information from you, help you connect with other teachers in your area, and answer your questions as you adjust. They will also be traveling to various districts over the course of your program to hold meetings and host special social events. EPI believes that you are a capable professional who is able to make a move of this size. You should not expect the teacher support specialist to make decisions for you when it comes to housing, budgeting, and transportation. They are not able to contact or visit housing units for you or contact any other service on your behalf. Your time at EPI orientation is very limited, so hold yourself accountable to your plan and begin your program on the right path. Your teacher support specialist can give you recommendations, but ultimately you are the one that must make the decisions. Here are some of the things you will need to carefully plan for and be financially responsible for during your first few weeks in the U.S. Deposit and rent for permanent housing, setting up utilities, your cellular phone, the cost of temporary housing, such as a hotel, while finalizing your permanent housing, the cost of transportation, and if you are traveling with family members, your J2 dependents, you can expect to have extra costs at orientation. These costs will be explained to you during the EPI orientation. When interacting with your teacher support specialist, always be professional and respectful. They are experts in supporting you, and their guidance should be taken seriously. You can expect your teacher support specialist to be available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. We believe your time is valuable, so always be prepared and have completed the tasks that your teacher support specialist has given to you. You and your teacher support specialist can make your transition to the United States an amazing experience. All you have to do is remember to follow through on what is required of you. Remember, when in doubt, reach out.